come forward. Please welcome to my enchanted world. Please welcome to the world of Mesmer, where the world that you know no longer exists. Enter at your own risk. And say hello to my little friend. That is how you are going to end up. Please, please, please keep moving. Do not be afraid. I am going to control everything about you.
Your will is no longer yours. Focus on my voice. As a canvas, our illustrated man got it open. Now, there's plenty of room. The ink sears forever. Our illustrated man can feel them in the stomach. Never sleeping, never ceasing. Leaves club stops for us all. Some singers, some point. Violet found this to be entirely accurate, as she discovered that the best music comes from deep within oneself. Music is the key to the soul, where every breath, each gasp for air is ragged, taxing, paralyzed, numb. Sonia, the snake charmer, plays her melody, the dance of death. In the serpent's grasp, your bones cracking as you slowly squeeze from your rigid body. Oblivion! 3, 2, 1. Under my complete control. Up and out. The power of suggestion lends the mind to extraordinary lengths. Even a simple game of lights and stiffness forward can be highly suggestive. Light as a feather. Stopping. Your reality is breaking, shattering. Swayed back and forth. The metronome, let your thoughts wander. One foot in front of the other. Nowhere to go but forward. You are attached to no one. Your life is darkness. Your flesh is stripped away. Break from reality. There are other worlds, other visions, all copies of the original. But who's to say our world is the original? Is our world a reflection? The mirror has a way of looking into you. It is seductive. Vanity becomes present. And what is real? And what is illusion? What makes us following my voice? You will not veer from the path. Do you see the red door to your right? You will not take it. You will remain in line with all lives. Hypnotist peer into the blinding light. See the connective tissue of thousands of images melding into reality. Who is it that lurks between the frames? Mr. Zoetrope. No, this cannot be! Red room! Red room! No, this cannot be! Red room! Red room! My eye sees all. My eye controls all.